Treplus Communities is ready to redefine 55-plus living in a new community at Dogwood Commons in Cornerstone of Centerville North, located near Dayton, Ohio. Experience active adult living in 1- and 2-bedroom, single-story spacious apartments with open floor plans, attached garages, designer finishes, and lots of natural light. Enjoy private entrances, gourmet kitchens, premium amenities, and universal design elements for accessibility. Dogwood Commons is conveniently located within walking distance to shopping, dining, and entertainment, as well as key services. If you're ready to downsize and live maintenance-free, call us to schedule an appointment to learn how to live in a neighborhood and belong to a community at Dogwood Commons. Visit us online at trepluscommunities.com or call us at 1-833-LIVE-55+.